Slime Sister here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. What you're going to be needing is some glue, shaving cream, activator. All my other videos with my sister, I've only done like ones with like magic liquid. Wait, hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, I was making it less blurry. But I do every single slime I do it like with magic liquid. So I'm gonna be doing it with Tide today, so you can see how it is. Why am I stuttering? So you can see how it turns out with Tide. So I'm using Tide today. Something to mix in. Something to mix with. Your container that you're gonna keep it in. And something you're gonna color it with. If you've seen our other videos, you know how we color these. Okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add some glue into your container. Open the nozzle and pour for about, let's say 10 seconds. Okay, so all my glue is poured. I poured it for about 10 seconds. See, that's the same amount as me. Yeah, pour for 10 seconds. So, then you're gonna add some shaving cream. Oh my gosh. Well, then you're gonna add some shaving cream. And then you're just gonna mix it together until the shaving cream completely mixes with the glue and it's just one solid. Or liquid or solid. I don't know, okay? Substance. There. Okay, so now mine is all one substance because I don't have a lot. Now you're gonna add your activator. So just add like a little by little. You don't want to add too much. Hold on, is that light like in the way? Hold on. Alright, yeah, and then you're gonna just, mix it up until it comes to it. Thank you. Anyway, you're just gonna mix until it turns into a slimy consistency. This is how mine looks. It's, it's coming together. So, when your slime starts, separating from the sides, like when you mix it and it starts pulling from the side, then your slime is, almost done. Like, it's getting almost done. I'm going to add a little bit more Tide so I can, start using my hand. I got on my fingers. So, I can start using my hands to, just knead it. Okay, so this is actually really sticky. Don't do what I did. Make sure that it's already slime. And let's hope we can make slime first attempt, okay? So last time I tried to do this, I added too much activator and it wasn't slime. So I'm really trying to do this in one take, Okay, so my slime will be done in, wait, hold on, my fingers. Okay, well my slime, wait, I can't do this. Okay, my slime will be done right now. Okay, my slime is now done, as you can see. That was really bad snapping skills. I don't know how people do that, but anyway. My slime is now done, and it's super fluffy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but before I end this video, we're going to color it and, it's a hair in it. Okay, I got the hair out. Okay, so before I end the video, we're just going to do a little ASMR. Okay, so I'm back. Now we're just going to do a little ASMR. It's a little sticky though, so try to make sure that yours isn't sticky. My table is shaking. Okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some color. Now, what color would you guys like? This one right here, or this one right here? Do 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 do. Okay, we got more results for this one, and I agree. And I've never done like a slime. Like I've always had this color, but I've never done this color or used it. Sorry. Purple. So after this video, I'm gonna do another slime tutorial. We're thinking about doing a cloud slime tutorial. So let's get 5 likes, and we'll make a cloud slime tutorial. So now we're just, it's shaking. Okay, so now we're just adding our color casually. Okay, I think this is actually going to be a very nice slime. Okay, be careful because it might get on your fingers. But wash your hands after this because my sister said you don't want no corona. So, don't use a white table when you use these markers. Please don't. And when you make the slime, make sure you clean the back of yourself, because you don't want your booty meat to meet the belt. So. Okay, just take a second. Let me flip this around. Just take a second to admire this. Look at this. Look at it. It's so nice. Anyway, I'm gonna add a little bit more color. Okay, so anyway, I added a little bit more color because I wanted it to be a little darker, just a little bit. Like I want it to be light, like a light purple, but I also want it to be a little dark purple. But you're not in the middle. But if you guys like this slime, oh my gosh, it's not even in the frame. But if you guys like this slime, or if you want it, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. It'd mean a lot. All right, now look. Now, if you're not subscribed, you have to subscribe and hit the bell. If you are subscribed, you have to hit the bell. If you're already subscribed, then just make sure you hit the bell. I don't know what I'm going with this. Yeah, just leave a like and subscribe. Leave a timestamp of your favorite part of this video. And also comment how your slime went. So, yeah, I was going to say it all over again. Yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed the slime tutorial. I really hope you guys do it. There's a little more ASMR. Don't mind it, So, on our agenda right now, me and her, we're supposed to make some cloud slime. So, oh my gosh. So, yeah, we're going to make some cloud slime. And, yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, that's it. Peace out. Hello. 'Cause you are.